Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick in Conan Exiles. To get started, you'll need to gather some essential resources. First, you'll want to collect plenty of stone, which is the primary ingredient for crafting. You'll also need a good supply of fuel, like wood or coal, to power your crafting stations. This process is straightforward once you have your materials ready and understand the simple steps involved. Your first step is to gather the raw materials. Stone is abundant throughout the exiled lands. Simply equip a pickaxe and start mining any rock formations you find. For fuel, chop down trees for wood or mine coal deposits. Remember, the more stone you gather, the more brick you can produce, so aim for a substantial amount, perhaps 100 units or more. Once you have your stone and fuel, head to your furnace. Open its inventory and place the stone into the main input slots. Next, add your chosen fuel, whether it's wood or coal, into the designated fuel slot. With both materials loaded, simply activate the furnace. It will then begin to smelt the stone, converting 10 units of stone into one single brick. Now that you've crafted your brick, it's time to put it to good use. Brick is an incredibly versatile and strong building material, far more durable than basic stone. You'll use it to construct robust foundations, walls, and other structural components for your base. It's also essential for crafting many advanced workbenches and items, making your base more secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.